Hello guys, today I will publish second video about working with collections because I had a vector explanation how to use collection. Blender developers they explained me one thing because when you work with collections, you may probably configure a couple of things in order to understand how collections work. I am very happy that those people helped me. Okay, now I will go to view layer. I created a new container. If you select a collection, shift D, I will create another object quickly. I shouldn't really waste time for this because I wanted to show you as quick as possible. Alt X. Okay, doesn't really matter because I need to create another example. Wait a minute because I will show you. Apply. Scale. I did that because it's important when you work with bevel edge. Sometimes bevel fail. It can fail sometimes, but I will get back to you. Mesh, normals, recalculate outside. I can get back to you now. I just wanted to create one of the objects because I want to hide the third object. Control A, bevel edges. What we got here? I want to have nice smooth shapes because I don't like when something looks ugly, even if I publish different video tutorial. Working with collections. If you don't know something and you think this is error, you go to help, report the bug. I did that and Blender developers, they are really helpful because it's completely different how you work with Blender 2.80. For example, I had the issue when I wanted to remove objects from collection. It's not really that obvious. But I understand now how to resolve this issue, and I'm going to show you now. For example, when you unlink, everything disappears. What you have to do, you have to go to Blender file. You have to find those objects, and then collections. I think what you have to do. Where this option link to scene, you have to link to scene again. Unlink. Ah yes, I know what I did before. When you select collection, view layer, there is extra additional option, but I saw this. Where this was? I struggle sometimes when I need to find something. Because there was collection. Yes, I got it now. Also, when you go to object, you should see collections. Unlink collection. You also unlink collection. Now my objects completely disappear. I don't know if they still exist. They look like they are no more visible. Oh no, they seem to be invisible. No, they still exist. I think I have to link to scene. Yes, you drag my left mouse button to main collection. This is what I did now, but the only issue is why those meshes become invisible when I unlink from collection. When you unlink collection disappears. You have to then drag to main collection. Because I created separate collections, I will create another collection to show you what I will do in a minute. Oh no, this was done inside the collections. You have to select in collection instead. My objects. Then you select button V to select this. I shouldn't really have camera selected, and you drag my left mouse button. When you go to scenes, then you can quickly select my objects. You can quickly hide them. Don't worry if you unlink collection. No, this is main collection, my objects. Where I was selecting this. I think you have to select objects to be able to see this collection, and when you unlink, you have to go to Blender file. This is what Blender developers told me how to manage collections. In a scene viewport, you can. The good thing is you can quickly select everything at once. You can freeze at once. You can exclude from render. You can disable from viewport. But working with collections is very different than in Blender 2.79. But at last they explained to me how to manage collections.